Hello, if you are new to affiliate marketing, here's a simple way to start. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning commission when someone buys through your link. The challenge? Knowing what kind of ads and landing page actually convert. So that's where AdPlexity helps. It's a spy tool that shows your real ads running right now. You can see what's working in your niche and country. Once you find a good example, use LanderLab. To import the landing page directly, you can edit, add your offer link, and publish it in minutes. No coding, no design skills. So login in text, and you can see all the ads which we can filter by ads or landing page, and see all the landing pages here. In the left sides, we have all the filters, or we can search for anything specific in the search bar here. For example, today I'm going to take a pay-per-call landing page. Just by pressing pay-per-call, it filters that. AdPlexity gets you imported directly to the LanderLab with this button right here. So as you can see, I already have a LanderLab account, but as a first-time users, you will have to sign up first. Let's name the landing page. Test front AdPlexity. After we press create, the LanderLab is taking all the files from AdPlexity and importing them directly to LanderLab, so we can edit inside the editor. Select the index HTML and press save. As you can see, here is the imported landing page. What I like to do first, replace all outgoing links with my offer. I don't currently have an offer, but for example, I will take the LanderLab.io link. So we go in replace links, select replace all links. Press here LanderLab.io and replace all the links. If we click save, we go in the preview of the landing page. And let's say I want to press right here. If I click it, it will redirect me directly to the LanderLab. So to the outgoing link, if you have only one offer, you can replace all outgoing links with that offer. Thanks for watching.